Service in Paducah has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Union County, Illinois, southwestern Jackson County, Illinois, northeastern Boulder County, Missouri, southeastern Perry County, Missouri, northern Cape Girardeau County, Missouri, until 12:30 a.m. At 11:38 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Marble Hill, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. Tornadic debris has been confirmed by radar. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Daisy, Patton, and Millersville around 11:45 p.m. Altenburg around midnight. Grand Tower around 12:05 a.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Old Appleton, Glen Ellen, Gorham, Pocahontas, Frona, Longtown, Sedgwickville, Oak Ridge, and Alto Pass. This includes Interstate 55 between mile markers 106 and 123. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect.